Scene script. Have you ever wondered how life on Earth evolved from single-celled organisms to the diverse array of species we see today? The answer to this question began to take shape in the mid-19th century, when Charles Darwin introduced his revolutionary theory of natural selection. This theory proposed that species evolve over time through a process of adaptation. This adaptation is driven by heritable variations within a species, and the pressures exerted by their environment. Species that adapt successfully survive and reproduce, passing on their advantageous traits to their offspring. Darwin's theory transformed the field of biology, providing a framework to understand the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. However, as groundbreaking as Darwin's theory was, it didn't answer all our questions about evolution. In particular, it left us wondering about the mechanisms that underlie rapid evolutionary changes. How do organisms manage to adapt so swiftly to shifting ecological conditions? How can a species, within a relatively short span of time, develop traits that help them survive in a dramatically different environment? These questions remained largely unanswered, serving as a reminder that our understanding of evolution, while extensive, was far from complete. The gaps in Darwin's theory pointed to undiscovered elements in the puzzle of life's evolution. Complex mechanisms working beneath the surface, shaping the course of species in ways we were yet to fully understand. This realization prompted scientists to delve deeper into the inner workings of life's blueprint. They began to explore beyond the boundaries of Darwin's theory, seeking to uncover the secrets of rapid adaptation and evolution. This quest led them to a new frontier in the study of life, the field of epigenetics. While Darwin's theory has served as a cornerstone of evolutionary biology, the mysteries of rapid adaptation remained, prompting scientists to delve deeper into the inner workings of life's blueprint. Enter the realm of epigenetics, a relatively young field of science that has sparked a revolution in our understanding of evolution. Epigenetics refers to changes in organisms brought about by modification of gene expression, rather than alteration of the genetic code itself. In simpler terms, it's like having a book where the story remains the same, but how you read and interpret it can change dramatically. This field has already made significant contributions to our understanding of development and disease. For instance, it's now clear that epigenetic changes can influence the onset of conditions like cancer and Alzheimer's disease. But what about evolution? Could epigenetics also play a role in how species adapt and evolve? A group of intrepid scientists from around the world decided to tackle this question head-on. They embarked on a collaborative journey to explore uncharted territories of evolutionary biology. Their mission? To probe into the depths of the genome beyond the genetic code, to explore the potential role of epigenetic changes in evolution. Their research spanned across several years, with each experiment meticulously designed and executed. They examined numerous species from plants to animals in a variety of environmental conditions. They analyzed genomes, observed behaviors, and tracked changes over generations. It was a Herculean task, but their unwavering dedication and relentless curiosity propelled them forward. The fruits of their labor were nothing short of spectacular. They discovered that not only could epigenetic changes influence an organism's traits, but these changes could also be passed down to future generations. This was a game changer. It suggested that organisms could adapt to changing environments not just through slow, gradual genetic mutations, but also through rapid heritable epigenetic changes. Their work led to a breathtaking revelation, one that would forever change our understanding of evolution. In a landmark breakthrough, scientists discovered that epigenetic changes can be heritable and play a pivotal role in driving rapid adaptation in species. This groundbreaking revelation was the fruit of years of relentless exploration, collaboration, and innovation. To appreciate the magnitude of this discovery, let's delve into the details. The scientists who embarked on this quest were from diverse backgrounds, each bringing a unique perspective to the table. They began by examining the DNA of various species, focusing on the subtle modifications that occur without altering the underlying genetic code. These modifications, or epigenetic changes, can switch genes on or off, profoundly influencing an organism's traits. The real eureka moment came when they found that these epigenetic changes were not just fleeting phenomena. They could be passed down through generations, acting as a kind of biological memory. This was a game changer. It meant that organisms could rapidly adapt to new environments by remembering beneficial changes, and passing these adaptations onto their offspring. The implications of this discovery are staggering. For one, it helps answer the long-standing mystery of how species can quickly adapt to changing environments. This is a significant departure from the traditional Darwinian view of evolution as a slow, gradual process. Instead, it suggests that organisms can swiftly respond to environmental changes by harnessing the power of epigenetics. Moreover, this discovery reshapes our understanding of heredity. Traditionally, we've thought of genetic inheritance as the sole driver of traits from one generation to the next. But now we know that epigenetic changes can also play a crucial role, adding a new layer of complexity to the story of life. Finally, this breakthrough brings a whole new dimension to the diversity of life. By affecting gene expression, epigenetic changes can give rise to a myriad of variations within a species, contributing to the rich tapestry of life we see on Earth. This discovery opened up a whole new perspective on evolution, challenging conventional notions and setting the stage for a radical paradigm shift. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we can only wonder what other mysteries lie in wait for us to uncover. The implications of this discovery reverberate far beyond the scientific community. Epigenetic evolution, the new kid on the block, is shaking up our understanding of life's dynamics, challenging the conventional wisdom that evolution is a slow, gradual process. Instead, the evidence suggests that species can swiftly adapt to environmental changes, not over millions of years, but potentially within a few generations. This rapid adaptation is made possible by the flexible nature of epigenetic modifications. Unlike genetic mutations, which are often random and can take a long time to spread through a population, epigenetic changes can occur quickly and be directly influenced by the environment. This means that if a species is suddenly faced with a new challenge, be it a change in climate, the emergence of a new pathogen, or a shift in predation patterns, it could potentially respond by making swift epigenetic adjustments. But what does this all mean beyond the realm of scientific theory? The potential applications of this knowledge are vast and varied. For instance, in the field of conservation, understanding how species can rapidly adapt could help us develop more effective strategies for protecting biodiversity in the face of climate change and other environmental threats. In agriculture, insights into epigenetic evolution could lead to the development of more resilient crops and livestock. Even in medicine, the principles of epigenetic evolution could be harnessed to better understand and treat diseases that have a genetic component. In essence, the discovery of epigenetic evolution is not just about adding another chapter to the story of life on Earth. It's about rewriting the book, challenging our assumptions, and opening up new possibilities for understanding and interacting with the natural world. This groundbreaking discovery has not only reshaped our understanding of evolution, but also holds the potential to transform various aspects of our lives. As we peer into the future, this groundbreaking discovery opens up exciting new vistas of exploration. The realm of epigenetic evolution, once a mere blip on the scientific radar, now stands as a field ripe with potential, a veritable treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be unearthed. Imagine, if you will, a future where our understanding of evolution is so finely tuned that we can predict and even guide the course of species adaptation. With the insight provided by epigenetic evolution, this future is not as far-fetched as it may seem. Scientists across the globe are now delving into the intricate dance of genes and their epigenetic modifications, seeking to decipher the complex interplay that drives the dynamism of life on Earth. But the ramifications of this research extend far beyond the theoretical. The practical implications are staggering and have the potential to touch every corner of our lives. In the realm of conservation, for instance, understanding epigenetic evolution could equip us with the tools to help endangered species adapt to rapidly changing environments, offering a lifeline in the face of the relentless march of climate change. In agriculture, this knowledge could revolutionize our approach to crop breeding, enabling us to develop varieties that can swiftly adapt to varying weather conditions, resist pests, and yield more nutritious produce. This could be a game changer in our ongoing quest for food security, and let's not forget the implications for disease control. By understanding how pathogens evolve epigenetically, we could stay one step ahead in the never-ending arms race against infectious diseases, potentially saving countless lives. As we stand at the precipice of this new era in evolutionary biology, the possibilities seem endless. We are on the cusp of a paradigm shift, a leap in our understanding that could redefine our relationship with the natural world. With the mysteries of evolution beginning to unravel, who knows what astonishing discoveries lie just around the corner.